Welcome to this edition of Renovation Time. So we're in the, this is a pretty big kitchen renovation slash main level renovation that we're in right now. We're just kind of finishing everything up. So there's a lot of people in here working today, and we should pretty much have it cleaned up by the end of the week. So in about 2 days, and they'll be back in, other than countertops and tile backsplash. One thing I wanted to make note of, in a lot of these homes, they didn't actually have ceiling lights. So there was a certain era where they used to put them on switches, and you may have them in your home too. So what we ended up doing here is we did put some LED lights in here. They're in a great location. Our electrician came in and talked to the homeowner, and it gives you some nice natural light. And again, as I always say, LED lights are the only way to go now. They use very little energy, and they look great, and they've came so far. The brightness of these lights now is just incredible. And then the homeowners bought new fixtures throughout the whole area. So as you can see, the electrician's here now. But we have a ceiling light here, a new fixture as well in the hallway. There's going to be a couple speakers in here. We're going to have the pendant lights, and then the kitchen, I'm not going to turn those on because I'm not sure they're live yet. But we have a lot of LED lights in the kitchen as well. One thing I always say, you can't add lights after. So if you're going to actually put some lights in, do it when you're doing the reno. They're fairly inexpensive, which is quite nice. And you can always dim them. You can always not turn them on, but you can't turn them on if you don't have them. And the other thing I want to make note of too, originally, and hopefully we can get some previous shots in here, this was a patio door or garden door. So what we ended up doing is the homeowner ordered the door. We built this wall in and insulated and vapor barrier, put a nice door here so they still have exit out to the side of the house. But again, just nice natural light, but allowed us to use this entire wall for part of the kitchen as well. And then the main window stayed. So this window obviously stays and was here originally. We're gonna have a double sink under, below the actual window itself. And then obviously the cabinetry. So as you can see, coming along, a couple of days, we'll be back, the customer will be back in here and they'll be able to use it, and we should be good to go. So we'll come back here when it's all finished and show you the finished product.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.